Complexion. So anyway, I just needed to put a few things on. So we're going to go ahead and go in with our Cashmere Complexion Concealer. Yep, just going to use some concealer. Not going to do like a full face makeup here. A little bit of a triangle here. I'm going to go in pretty thick with this because it can also be used for like coverage. Here we go. Some of these red areas I have on my face. I have a little bit here in the chin area and a little bit here. So, okay. Got it in there. Just using that Cashmere Complexion. And take my ring finger because that is really your most gentle finger. And I'm just going to kind of pat it in around this area. Getting into, I'm going to get my eye just a little bit. And just kind of pat it out. The cool thing about the concealer is it really is such good coverage that it can really kind of do a full little makeup look for you without having to go with a lot of foundation, especially if you have, you know, if you've got kids at home and you're like, Jennifer, I do not have time for like a 30-minute look. You know, I just need to get something on and go because we got all these Zoom calls. And I look so washed out. So this is just an easy way to do it. So if you just have a few minutes to put a couple of products on in the morning, what are your must-haves? I think that is the question for everybody, is what is your must-have products that you cannot leave the house without? And right now, are you leaving the house without anything? Cashmere Complexion is the first step. Okay, so we just did a little bit of that concealer. Just kind of did a little bit of patting it in, got a little bit of redness around the nose area. So we're going to kind of tap that in. Just, oh my gosh, it is so awesome. That video primer really holds your makeup to your face. This is what you need next. You need to invest in the Cashmere Complexion Concealer and Foundation. Amazing coverage. Okay, so we did that concealer. We got it on. What do you think? Next, we're going to go in. I'm so excited. This is a new product that is launching. It's our Magic Dust Translucent Loose Powder. It's awesome. This stuff is amazing. So I'm just putting a little bit into the lid. I'm going to take my powder brush. And I'm just kind of rolling it around, picking some of it up. And I'm just going to dust it on my face. So the cool thing about this translucent loose powder is it's great for setting, but it's also great for baking if you are a face baker. And I'm going to do a tutorial and I'll show you guys how to use it to bake on another day. But it's also good for just a quick setting powder, just covering all over the face. Okay, so we're 2 steps in. Can you already tell a difference? So we started with the Cashmere Complexion. Now we did the Magic Dust. Okay, so a brow is a must-have for me. Amanda, what's something that you will not leave the house without? Like you have to have this on before you leave the house. You know, for me, it's usually I'm going to line my brows and I'm going to put some lip gloss on. Those are the 2 main things I'm not going to leave the house with. Okay, step 3. So we did concealer. We did Magix Dust. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on Magix Dust. You are going to be in love. I've tried translucent loose powders from lots of companies and I have not ever been impressed with the Magix that are with the fineness that is in Magix Dust. Eyeliner, mascara, and a good chapstick. That is a great combo. I think we all have like our go-to products, right? Like I cannot leave the house without this. And until I started defining my brows, I did not realize how much of a difference that makes on your face. And I'm just doing like small motions in this, just to kind of like make pin-like motions. Okay, so step 3 is done. Are y'all seeing a difference? So far we've used our Cashmere Complexion Concealer, our Magix Dust Translucent Loose Powder, and our dark brown eye pencil. Okay, are y'all ready? This is our Ideal a Luminous Blush in Earthen Rose. Love this color. So I'm going to pick just a little bit up because I'm going to be on a Zoom meeting. I don't want to look washed out. So I'm just going to add a little pop of color. But here's another trick. This kind of natural monotone look is really, for right now, it's in because it's what we're all doing because you're not really leaving your house, right? So you're looking for some easy steps to just put a little bit of color on before you have to go on a Zoom meeting or take a picture with your kids or whatever you're doing. So I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush and I'm going to pick up a little bit of color from this and I'm just going to put a little bit on my eye. This is kind of a rust color, like a rust brown color. So it's just going to give my eyes just a little bit of color. Not a lot. I'm not going really deep with it. I'm just kind of patting it in. There we go. Okay. And then, love mascara. It's always, always my finishing product. It is my favorite product. And it does just amazing things for my lashes. Okay, I have to curl them because, I don't know, my lashes grow straight out. I don't know what the deal is. I've seen online where you can order like a heated eyelash curler. I'm into that. Tell me if you've tried it. What do you think? I'm thinking I need to add that to my regimen. Okay, the Love Mascara makes such a difference in your lashes. I mean, just like 6 products. 6 products, and I'm getting a look that I'm not embarrassed to go on a Zoom meeting with. It's crazy. I feel like I'm Zooming like 4 times a day between teachers, therapist, work, my team, my customers. I've been doing Zoom makeup consultations, something I've never thought in a million years I would be doing, but it's working. And then we're going to finish off with our Lip Mattitude and Respect. You guys, this is one of my favorite colors. Just a really quick little color. Okay, so we've done 6 steps. Tell me what you think. Does it look nice? Is this something you would do? So let me kind of recap with you guys. We did 6 quick steps of makeup. We did our Cashmere Complexion Concealer. Just kind of patted it in and covered up some of those dark spots. We did our Magix Dust Translucent Loose Powder. The bomb. We did our dark brown eye pencil. Filled in those brows. Brow pencil. It's a brow pencil. And then our Earthen Rose blush on my cheeks and a little bit on the eyes to just give a little bit of eye color. Our Love Mascara and our Respect Mattitude. It's done. I mean, that is how easy a quick 6-step makeup regimen can be. And then you can hop on a Zoom and not feel like that you are I don't know, like washed out and don't have any color on your face, but I have something exciting. So these are coming to AVON. I'm so excited. This is the new Lava Curler. It's so cool. So I'm going to do a full tutorial tomorrow with that. And we have a new Chi hair dryer. Check it out. Do you love these products? We also have a straightening iron. I haven't ordered that yet, but I may have a special incentive where you can win a straightening iron tomorrow. So we're going to check it out. I'm going to do a demo for you guys and show you tomorrow when I'm not in a super rush. I hope this is an easy look that you can pull off and feel confident when you're going to do those meetings and all that stuff you have to do. And thank you for watching. Please share if you know someone that likes a quick, easy makeup routine. This may be some tips that are helpful to them. So please share this video and let somebody else get some tips. Thanks, guys. I love you. I hope you're staying safe and washing your hands. We'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.